Hurricane Delta packed 100-mile-per-hour winds as it made landfall near Creole, Louisiana.
I gotta say, I told Josh this morning, I said it was worse than I expected. And we usually expect the worst, but it was intense.
The road is underwater here still.
Father and son storm chasers Ron and Josh Moore witnessed firsthand the power of Hurricane Delta.
We were waiting to get into the eye wall, and then all of a sudden it just came in blazing. I mean, it was tropical storm conditions here and there for, the first several hours, and then it just came in.
Louisiana Governor John Bel Edwards said Hurricane Delta made landfall just 12 miles from where Hurricane Laura struck 6 weeks earlier.
Oddly enough, because Hurricane Delta was much larger in terms of its wind field, there were more power outages from Delta than there were with Laura.
Damage assessment is underway and electric companies are positioning crews for power restoration.
25% of all customers in Louisiana are without power as we speak.
Ron and Josh hope the data and video they collect from hurricanes will be used to help the general public prepare better for emergency situations. They also express their gratitude to all the emergency personnel and line workers for their brave work.
Thank God for the people who do the jobs that keep the lights on, and be patient with them.
Thank you, linemen.